Today's Wednesday Wisdom is sponsored by Peterson Law Office.
All right, well, welcome back. It is time for our Wednesday Wisdom with friend of the show, Justin Peterson from the Peterson Law Office. And today we're talking about who you're going to call when you get in a car accident. So welcome back.
Who are you going to call? That was like a Ghostbusters introduction.
I'm glad that you're of our age
I should do an
to know
advertisement
that.
like that. I should.
Of our generation.
Yes.
Yes, you should.
Get the
So we'll be your
call.
marketing consultants
Yes,
on
thank
your
you.
next ad.
Maybe somebody will finally call us.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Whatever.
You do have the tagline, "Call me Kentucky."
Yes.
Because you do want people to call you.
Yes, we do.
But at what point, after you have an accident, should you call your office?
Yeah, we love for people to call us immediately, so that we can help start giving them advice from the get-go,
Right.
because so many things can happen with time, whether it's evidence dissipating, whether it's witnesses leaving, going out of the country, just whatever, it takes away our ability to do investigations. So we really want people to call us as soon as possible so that we can start working for them. And they don't pay us, as you guys know, it's all contingent fee based, and we only get paid if there's a settlement or jury verdict. So if we end up finding out that our client caused the accident or there's not a legitimate case to pursue, they don't pay us anything.
Yeah. Well, because off camera, I'm always asking you for advice, and I'm a little accident prone. Not going to lie.
That's okay. I get a lot of those texts and calls every day. Yes, happy to answer.
But one thing I had to ask was, what happens when the insurance company because one contacted me out of the blue, and I'm like, okay, am I being recorded?
Yeah.
What do I need to know?
Well, they're
if an
definitely
insurance company
recording
calls?
you, and they'll say something to the effect of, how are you doing today? Well, I'm doing all right. And then 2 years later, when we're arguing you're really injured, they'll say, well, I have a recording 2 days later saying you're okay. So you got to be careful about that. I don't let my clients talk to the carriers. We do the talking for them. And the other big thing, I see this more and more, is they'll just show up with a check to people's houses. I handled this case yesterday.
What?
Yeah, let me tell you all about this case I handled yesterday. A young guy, he's 18 years old, and his dad comes in and says, hey, the insurance company offered us $5,000. They sent us a check. We haven't agreed to a settlement. And he starts telling me about the case. His son had torn his shoulder in the accident, had a surgery. And we just settled it yesterday, within a month. We got him $150,000. Now that's kind of an extreme example, but that's a real life, very true example of something that happened, and that was settled yesterday, where it went from $5,000 to $150,000. It's kind of scary, Don't accept that money.
Okay, don't.
If you cash it, it's a settlement. The way our law works is you can have a verbal settlement with an insurance company. So if you say the words "I accept" or you cash that check, you have prejudiced your rights to be able to go after your future medicals, your pain and suffering. So it was an alarming thing. I had a neighbor it happened to too, where my neighbor came by and said they just sent us this $1,000 check, and then they got like $30,000. They're getting smarter. So maybe we need to get smarter too, hopefully. So.
Absolutely. Well, and you've got the expertise to know exactly what to do and to advise your clients that way.
Yeah, we've handled so many cases here in Central Kentucky. I mean, just very unfortunate, sad cases as well. But we're here to help people. We got a great staff. As you guys know, with my joint venture with Whiteford, we have over 200 attorneys, about 1,000 staff. So we're here to help as many people as we can, and we have a good product, I think.
And you were on the other side there for a minute. You worked for insurance companies, so you have the background and knowledge.
I did for 8 years. I did insurance defense, where I advised insurance companies on how to settle cases, how to value cases. And listen, on that side, we knew who was going to take pennies on the dollar. I mean, the insurance company's happy when certain attorneys are involved.
Yeah.
They were. If a case was worth 30, we knew we could settle it for 10 on the defense side, and we certainly don't let that happen at Peterson Law Office. We know what a case is worth, and if we need to pursue a case and file a lawsuit, we certainly will. So.
And not every case is going to go to trial.
No.
In a courtroom, like Perry Mason.
Right.
A lot of it gets settled.
No, I don't have to put my Perry Mason hat on very often.
Darn it.
No, I really don't. 99% of cases settle before it ever gets to trial. Most cases settle pre-lawsuit, especially if we can get in, investigate, because the insurance company, at the end of the day, they want to see evidence. What is the evidence? What do you have? What is the proof your client was actually injured in this accident, as opposed to some pre-existing condition? And so that's why we want to get, to answer your question earlier, that's why we want to get involved early.
Right.
Well, and most people think, okay, well, this accident didn't happen between 9 to 5, so don't call until the next day. But you have resources.
Yeah, we're available.
24/7.
24/7. We're talking to people on the weekend. We have a 24/7 chat feature on our website where you can go, chat with us on there as well. And then we're always going to get back with you. We want to talk to you. That's what our business is about.
That's what you do, and you're so good at it.
Yeah.
Is there any particular doctor that someone should see if they're injured?
Sure. So yes, absolutely. If you're injured real bad, you need to go to the ER. Number one is what we tell people. And then, of course, follow up with your family physician. A lot of family physicians, believe it or not, don't actually see accident victims because they don't want to deal with PIP benefits and some other things, and there's other reasons for that. So there's some injury care clinics that have popped up here in Lexington that do a great job treating people, treating trauma, you know, and it all depends on your injury. If you tear your shoulder like that gentleman did the other day, you know, you need to go see an orthopedic surgeon. And
well, you're always giving me the advice that I need to go see a psychiatrist. Yeah.
Yes, and if you would finally take that advice, I think we'd
all
go a
be
long
a lot
way.
happier, wouldn't we, Justin?
All jokes, all jokes. Yeah.
No, you're great. Thanks so much
Yes.
for coming.
Yeah.
And
We love
if
you,
you need
Justin.
to reach out to the Peterson Law Office, all of the information is up there on the screen for you.
Today's Wednesday Wisdom was sponsored by Peterson Law Office.